Hello, welcome to Mehetri German Academy. In today's informational and interesting session, we are going to explain you how you can work in Germany. We are going to answer the question how you can get a job and live a successful life in Germany. So, let's begin. Benefits of working in Germany are many. For example, Germany is the largest economy of Europe. Along with that, when it comes to exports, Germany is the third largest exporter in the world. Not only this, Germany is a global leader in engineering, automotive, research, and is the birthplace of many globally successful multinational companies or world famous brands such as Mercedes, Audi, Porsche, BMW, Adidas, and many more. However, there is a constant decline in the young population or the youth of Germany. The young population is just 10.3% according to the Federal Statistical Office of Germany or das Statistisches Bundesamt. Germany has the third oldest population in the world. Average age of Germany is 47 years old. Children are just 12% of the total population in Germany. Therefore, Germany needs skilled professionals. German economy or Germany is highly dependent on skilled workers or professionals who are from outside the European Union or from outside the Europe. According to a study conducted by the Prognos economic researchers, around 3 million plus jobs could be vacant by 2030. So then the question arises, who is exactly a skilled professional? Any professional who has a degree from a recognized university that is recognized both by the home country and by Germany as well. Germany is in such a need of skilled professional that it has made changes to its Skilled Immigration Act or Fachkräfteeinwanderungsgesetz. What is this Skills Immigration Act or Fachkräfteeinwanderungsgesetz? It is a law to make working in Germany easy and which expands the job market or the labor market for professionals and skilled workers outside the European Union. However, then, which professions or skills are in high demand in Germany? Germany is a world leader when it comes to automobile or the automotive industry. Germany is home to the car, thus Auto. Therefore, mechanical engineers are highly sought after in Germany. Along with that, experts or professionals who are mechatronics or electrical engineers are also required in Germany. As there is a decline in the population of young people in Germany, the medical sector also requires doctors, nurses, and physiotherapists in Germany as well. Since Germany has an IT industry with an annual turnover of 172 billion euros as of 2020 with 1946 plus startups in Germany, IT specialists or software developers are highly demanded in Germany. Then, what are the requirements? How can you unlock this job market for yourself in Germany? The first and foremost requirement is the job seeker visa or the work permit. There is the difference between both. When you are issued with a job seeker visa by Germany, you are allowed to search for jobs in Germany by coming to Germany for 6 months. However, when it comes to the work permit, it is only offered when you already have a job offering from a German company or by a German employer. To get both of these, you can visit the German embassy in your home country. Then a mandatory or compulsory requirement of the health insurance comes into play. It is required from your first day in Germany. However, the most needed or desired skill one must have if one plans to go for a job in Germany is the ability to speak the language of opportunities. It's the ability to communicate in the German language at the B2 level. This is also a requirement when you apply or want to get a job in Germany. As we slowly finish our educational qualifications and prepare ourselves or get into the professional world, the time to do new things, the effort to learn new things slowly decreases. However, at this period of our lives, it's difficult to acquire a new language and we have to struggle more. That's why the sooner the better. With the proper experienced guidance, fun learning, and occasional surprising facts while learning the German language, it's possible to clear one level of the German language within 4 to 6 months, depending on the learner's understanding and speed. Therefore, it is necessary to learn the German language as early as possible. This was an interesting and informational session. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep learning. Cheers!